We have a new question. I'm a local services business, and most of the keywords I would target have a monthly estimated search volume under 110 per month. Does that mean that I should not include it as a keyword and only focus on keywords over 110 searches? So here is the answer: not necessarily. In smaller local markets, Google's keyword planner often shows very low or rounded estimates. Just because a keyword shows fewer than 110 searches doesn't mean it has no value. What matters most is relevance and intent. A highly specific keyword like emergency plumber plus your city name might only show a handful of searches, but those people are actively looking for your service. These low-volume, high-intent keywords often convert better than broad, high-volume ones like plumbing tips. Here's the best approach. Keep location-specific, high-intent keywords, even if the search volume looks small. Use exact match and phrase match to stay relevant. Expect some keywords to be labeled low search volume. That's fine. They may still trigger ads when people search. Balance your campaign with both smaller keywords and broader service terms to get enough traffic. Over time, review performance and pause only the ones that truly don't bring results. So to end with, don't use 110 searches as a strict cutoff. In smaller markets, it's smarter to run many lower volume but high intent keywords together, because those few searches can turn into your most valuable leads.